Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, pumpkin. When you're done, hit OK in the pop-up to save your new name, or select Cancel to discard it. If you decided to save it, after clicking OK, you need to choose OK in Device Name pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!